class students. Today I am teaching very important and scoring chapter statistics. Say statistics has only 7 model questions. If you learn these 7 model questions, you will get full marks in statistics. Model 1, mean of ungrouped data. Mean of ungrouped data. Example 5, 10, 6, 10, 6, 8. Then mean is equal to just sum of all observations by number of observations. Sum of all observations is 5 plus 10 plus 10 plus 6 plus 8. By how many observations are there? Only 5. Therefore add all of them. 25, 31, 39 by 5. Simplify, you will get how much? 7.8. 7.8 you will get. Now mean of ungroup with some frequency. How to find this is, he will give the observation and its frequency. Then find mean. Find mean. See, observation value take, frequency take in different columns, and find another column f into x. F into x. Example, observations 3, frequency 5, observation 5, frequency 3, observation 10, frequency 2. Then multiply them. 3 into 5, 15, 5 into 3, 15, 10 into 2, 20. Total fx find, which is 50. Total frequency find, which is 10. Now mean is equal to sigma fx by sigma f. Sigma fx how much? 50. Sigma f how much? 10. Simplify, answer is 5. Model 2, mean of group data. Mean of group data. In this there are 3 models, 3 problems. First one, normal method. Second one, deviation method. Third one, step deviation method. 3 problems are there: normal method, deviation method, step deviation method. In all problems, what he will give is class interval he will give, frequency he will give. Class interval, frequency is common for all problems. What we need to find is x value, which is the midpoint of class interval. Example, it is 4 to 8, 8 to 12, 12 to 16, 16 to 20, 20 to 24, 24 to 28, 28 to 32, 32 to 36. Now values, frequency values given 2, 12, 15, 25, 18, 12, 3, 13, and last is 3. Last is 3. Now x value, X is nothing but the midpoint of class interval. X is, see children very carefully, 4 and 8, midpoint is 6. Or you can get another way, 4 plus 8, 12, by 2, it is 6. After finding one value, this class size must add to all. First it is 6, class size is 4, therefore add 4 to this. This becomes 10, 10 plus 4, 14, 14 plus 4, 18, 18 plus 4, 22, 22 plus 4, 26, 26 plus 4, 30, 30 plus 4, 34. Now multiply this f into x. Multiply f into x. 2 into 6, 12. 12 into 10, 120. Multiply f into x and add all the fx values. You will get 1992. Add all the f values. It is 100. This is called sigma fx, sigma f. This is called sigma fx. Now we need to find mean. Formula is sigma fx by sigma f. Sigma fx by sigma f. Mean is equal to sigma fx by sigma f. Value substitute 1992 by 100. Simplify, you will get 19.92. Okay. This is the normal method. This is the normal method. Next is deviation and step deviation. Deviation is not that much important. Step deviation, in many years it is coming. Important problem. I'll tell you step deviation method. Step deviation method. When you will use this method, when you will use this normal method, in normal method finding fx is a difficult because big numbers, decimals coming. Such case decimals or calculations are complicated. Normal method is difficult to calculate. Therefore, step deviation method is useful. In this also class interval is there, frequency is there, x value is there, all the three columns same. The difference is instead of finding f into x, we need to find f into u. What is u? We need to know. Now write class intervals, values 4 to 8, 8 to 12, 12 to 16, 16 to 20, 20 to 24, 24 to 28, 28 to 32, 32 to 36. Values 2, 12, 15. In step deviation, assume one of the value from x column as a, that is assumed mean. It is your choice. Generally take the mid value. I am assuming the 18 as a value. After identifying a value, opposite to a, the u value is always 0. Take u value as 0. From 0 upwards, take -1, -2, -3. Downwards, +1, +2, +3, +4, so on. Now multiply f into u. F is 2, u is -3, multiplication -6, 12 into -2, -24, 15 into -1, -15, 25 into 0, 0, 18 into 1, 18, 12 into 2, 24, 13 into 3, 39, 3 into 4, 12. Add all these f and u values and total f value. This is nothing but sigma f. This is nothing but sigma fu. Simplify this sigma fu and sigma f. Now after calculating fu and f values, use formula mean is equal to a plus sigma fu by sigma f into h. H is class size. Here class size is 4 to 8 means it is 4 only. Now simplify the values. Substitute A value how much? 18. Sigma fu how much coming? 48. Sigma f how much? 100 into class size is 4. Now this 18 plus 48 by 100 is nothing but 0.48 into 4 into 4. Simplify 18 plus multiply 4 with this. 4 8s are 32. 4 4s are 16. 19. Keep decimal here. 2 decimal points are there. Therefore here also keep decimal after 2 digits. Now add them. You will get 19.92. 18 plus 1.92 is 19.92. This is the step deviation method. While finding class interval frequency, he will give any method, he will give this. First method, normal method, only x, then fx. In step deviation method, don't find fx. Now another column u is coming and fu is coming. Total fu find, total f find, then use formula a plus sigma fu by sigma f into h. Substitute, you will get answer 19.2. Okay. Model 3. See, mode of ungrouped data. Mode of ungrouped data. Example 5, 7, 5, 8, 6, 5, 9, 3, 5. See, which is repeating more number of times, that is called mode. See here, 5, 7, 5, 8, 6, 5, 9, 3, 5. 5 here, 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 4 times coming. Therefore, mode of these observations is 5. Which value is coming more number of times? That is mode only. Anybody can, by seeing only, you can identify mode of ungrouped data. Okay. Now, coming to model 4. Model 4. Mode of grouped data. Mode of grouped data. He will give class interval, he will give frequency. No need to prepare any other new columns in this. That is the nice thing in this. Other median or mean, whatever, we need to prepare some columns. But in mode, no need to prepare any other columns. These 2 columns, given columns enough. Example, take the values, class interval 5 to 15, 15 to 25, 25 to 35, 35 to 45, 45 to 55. Values, frequency 6, 11, 21, 23, 14 and 5. Another column is also there, 55 to 65. Okay, see class size 5 to 15, that means class size is 10. Class size is 10. See the, observe the frequencies. Which is the highest frequency? Tell me. Highest frequency is 23. Take this as F1 and before frequency mark as F0, after frequency mark as F2. Now the model class, this is the highest frequency class is known as model class. Now in the model class, lower limit is named as L. Lower limit is named as L. Now Mode formula use. Mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into class size H. Into class size H. Carefully observe, don't bring this L into this calculation. Write L value separately. 35 plus F1 is 23, F0 is 21, 2F1 is 46 and F0 21 and F2 14 into class size. Nicely round figure. Calculate 35 plus 23 minus 21 is 2. Calculate this. 46 minus 21 is 25. 25 minus 14 is 11 into 10. Simplify. 35 plus 20 by 11. That is equal to 35 plus 20 by 11 is nothing but 1.88 you will get. Approximately add this 36.88 you will get. 36.88. Mode is very important and very easy. See, class interval frequency. Highest frequency F1 before F0 after F2. Use the formula. By heart this formula. Substitute these values. Simply you will get mode of group data. Mode of group data. Model 5. Median of ungrouped data. Example 3, 7, 10, 8, 6. Some values are there. How to find median is? Median is nothing but the middle value. See, if there are 5 observations, middle one is third. Therefore, first arrange them in ascending order. First 3, then 6, then 7, then 8, then 10. This is in ascending order. Now the middle one is third. This is the median. If suppose number of observations even number, then there are 2 mid values. Therefore, average them, you will get the median. Example 3, 7, 10, 8, 6, 5 is coming. Arrange them in ascending order first. That is 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. There are 2 middle values, that is 6 and 7. Average them, that is 6 plus 7 by 2. That will become 13 by 2, which is 6.5. That means if odd number of values are there, only one median. Even number of observations are there, there are 2 mid values. Average them, you will get the median. You will get the median. Now, model 6. Coming into model 6. This is median of grouped data. Median of grouped data. In this also, he will give class interval, he will give frequency. All problems, he will give class interval, he will give frequency. Then we need to find an extra column which is cumulative frequency, which is called as cumulative frequency. Class interval, frequency, in the question only will give. Example 1 to 4, 4 to 7, 7 to 10, 10 to 13, 13 to 16, 16 to 19. Values, frequency values 6, 30, 40, 16, 4 and 4. Now cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency is nothing but adding frequency. First one 6 only, you must write 6 only. Now add the second value to this, means 6 plus 30, it is 36. 36 plus 40, it is 76. 76 plus 16, it is 90. 92. 92 plus 4, it is 96. 96 plus 4, it is 100. Even if you add all these values also, you will get 100. While increasing, this is the cumulative frequency, we can say. Cumulative frequency. Now from here only important. Okay, see here, total frequency assume as n, which is now 100. Half of the total frequency, which is n by 2, is obviously 50 now. Now round up the cumulative frequency which is near to this 50. Check which cumulative frequency is near to 50. Is it 36 or 76? Mostly 36 is near. This is named as median class. This is named as median class. The frequency which is in the median class is named as f. The cumulative frequencies which is before the median class is Cf. Lower limit of the median class is just L only. Now use formula, median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus Cf by f into h. H is the class size. You know L is here 4, n by 2 is 50, Cf is how much? 6 by f is 30 into class size 1 to 4 means it is just 3. Difference of class size is 3. Now simplify this. 4 plus 50 minus 6, 44 by 30 into 3. 3 cancel 10 times. You will get 4 plus 44 by 10. Nothing but 4 plus 44 by 10 is nothing but 4.4. Add, you will get, it is 8.4. It is 8.4. Listen carefully. Here taking median class only important. The cumulative frequency which is near to n by 2. Near to n by 2, take it as median class. Median class value L. Median class frequency f. Preceding value of Cf is Cf. Then substitute in the formula, we will get easily median of grouped data. Median of grouped data. Another important problem in median is missing frequency and giving median. He'll provide data median and total frequency. He'll ask missing frequencies. See the problem. He gave class intervals 0 to 100, 100 to 200, so on, and frequencies 2, 5, x, 12, 17, 20, 5, everything given. What is missing? Here x is missing, here y is missing. Total frequency he gave 100. Now same procedure, just like median only. Find class cumulative frequency. Find cumulative frequency. 2 is 2 only. 2 plus 5 7. 7 plus x. 7 plus x plus 12 is 19 plus x. 19 plus x plus 17. So on. Calculate this. You will get 76 plus x plus y. That is equal to 100. Till here it is same. Now what is the changes? Take median formula, that is equal to 525 take. Median means L plus n by 2 minus Cf by f into h is equal to 525. L value how much? which is n by 2 find first. N is equal to 525 means n by 2 is equal to, n is equal to 100, therefore n by 2 is equal to 50. N by 2 is equal to 50. Now which is close to 50, that is the median class. This is the median class you can take. 36 plus x, or this also you can take, your wish. Because 56 plus x is also close to 50, 36 plus x also close to 50. Therefore best choice is this. Even if you take this also, you will get right answer. Okay, we can choose anyone. I am choosing this. Therefore L is now 500 and CF is from this take and F is this only. Now substitute the values. L 500, n by 2 50, CF is 36 plus x. 36 plus x, take bracket here, otherwise it goes wrong, by F is 20 into H. H is class size. 0 to 100 size is nothing but 100 is equal to 525. Okay, send this 500 that side, you will get 525 minus 500 it becomes. Left side as it is 50 minus open 36 minus x by 20 into 100. Cancel this 20 5 times. Then simplify 50 minus 36, 14 minus x, take bracket, into 5 is equal to 525 minus 500 is 25. Now cancel 5 this 5 times. Then it becomes 14 minus x is equal to 5. Send x this side, 5 this side. 14 minus 5 is equal to x. Therefore x is equal to 14 minus 5 is 9. Substitute this x value here in this formula, you will get y also. 76 plus 9 plus y is equal to 100. Therefore y is equal to, send this side, 100 minus the 76, 9 is 85. Therefore y is equal to 100 minus 85 is 58. Okay, he gave median, therefore median is equal to 525 we must take. Median is equal to 525. Then model 7, ogive graphs, that is less than ogive graph. Less than ogive graph is also important in exam point of view. What he gives is class interval frequency he gives. Class interval 100 to 120, 120, 140, so like this he gives class intervals and frequency he gives. We must prepare this cumulative frequency column. 12, 12, 26 plus 8, 34, 34 plus 6, 40, 40 plus 10, 50. Must prepare cumulative frequency column. Then the graph is to be 10, 50. Now it is preparing less than ogive curve. We must take upper limits as x coordinate and CF as y coordinate. Upper limits of class interval as x coordinate and CF as y coordinate. Prepare the points. Prepare the points. See, first one 120 x coordinate and CF is 12 y coordinate. Same way 140 x coordinate, y coordinate is 26 CF. Same way 160 34, 180 6. Okay, 180 40 250 All the points came. Now go to the graph. Take the graph sheet. X-axis, Y-axis. On X-axis the values are 120, 140, 160 so on. Therefore, take a small kink. Then start 120, 140, 160, 180, 200 each 20 gap. See Y values 12, 26, 34, 40, 50, maximum is 50. Therefore, take 10 intervals. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Now take the points, mark the points. 120, 12. 120 is X, 12 is Y, it will come here. 140, 26. 140, 26, like this, check, you will get here. 160, 34. 160, 34 will be here. 180, 40 is here. 250. Therefore, join this with free hand. You will get a light S shape. You must get a light S shape. From this graph, we can find median. From this graph, we can find median. How to find median from the graph is, we have value n is equal to how much total frequency? 50. N by 2 find, that is 25. Therefore, at 25, mark a point and with scale or in the graph sheet, draw a horizontal line. Draw a horizontal line where it cuts the graph, mark the point and draw a vertical line where it cuts x-axis, that is median. That is median. Second type is more than ogive curve. Previous one is less than ogive. This is more than ogive. Same problem we are doing more than ogive curve. See, the difference is, previous one we found cumulative frequency from top to bottom for less than. For more than, it is bottom to top find. See, bottom is 10, 10 plus 6, 16, 16 plus 8, 24, 24 plus 14 is 38, 38 plus 12, 50. Just finding in cumulative frequency the difference. And points also you must take lower limit and cumulative frequency. Previous one upper limit, cumulative frequency. Now more than ogive, lower limit, cumulative frequency. See, lower limit is 100, cumulative is 50. 100 comma 50, 120 comma 38, right, all 140 comma 24, 160 comma 16, 180 comma 10. Now go for graph. Take x and y axis. Okay, values 100 to 180 is there. Therefore, starting point 100. Take a small kink. Then start 100, 120, 140, 160, 180. Values same way, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Points 100 comma 50. 100 is here, 50 is here. Therefore, marking point will be this. If you mark these points 120 comma 38, it will come here, then graph will be downward S. Downward S. This graph also we can find median. Find n value is 50 here already. N by 2 is 25. Same way, at 25 mark a point, draw horizontal line. Where it cuts the graph, draw vertical line. You will get where it cuts x-axis, that is the median. Okay. Now, if both the graphs given on the graph sheet or question paper and find median, he will ask find median if both graphs are given. First one less than cumulative, like upward S, downward S is more than. This is less than cumulative frequency graph. This is more than cumulative frequency graph. Okay. If it is like this, this point will be point of intersection of both graphs. Draw horizontal line to the y-axis, draw vertical line to the x-axis. Where it meets x-axis, this is median. Where it meets y-axis, this is half of the frequency n by 2. Therefore, if graphs are given, we can find median. Okay, we can find half frequency. Therefore, double it, you will get full frequency. Median we can find, and total frequency also we can find from both the graphs. Where it meets x-axis is median, where it meets y-axis is half the frequency, that is n by 2. Then we can find n value from that. Okay. Now the relation between mean, median, mode is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. Using this formula, we can find anyone which is missing. If 2 are given from this, third we can find. Example, if mean is equal to 28, median is equal to 29, we can find mode from this. Substitute in this, mode is equal to 3 into median, that is 29, minus 2 into mean. Mean how much? 28. Simplify, this is 87, this is 56. 87 minus 56 is how much? 31. Okay. Using this formula, we can find missing. Very important formula this is. Mode is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. For more videos, please go to the website bhishmaacademy.com. Okay, bhishmaacademy.com.